Good morning, guys. So we're still in Bali. I did not show you guys the villa that we're staying at yet, so I'm gonna give you a quick little tour before we head out, because we're gonna go head to Uluwatu. So here's the room. Here's our main bedroom. Here's the bathroom, it has like a rain shower. Bali is, you do not drink the water. Don't drink the water because it has like a bacteria in it and you'll get sick. The bedroom is up top here in like a little loft. Here's the living room area. Another bathroom in there. The kitchen, there's like a closet back there. And outdoor area with a pool. It's pretty nice. And then that's the entrance. So I'm living it up in here. I'm rich in Bali. All right, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800, 900,000, 2 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,950,000. The rain is kind of ruining the trip a little bit. We had a bunch of stuff planned, a bunch of things, places we were gonna go. We're gonna head to Uluwatu and then probably go to the mall in Denpasar. It's gonna take us about an hour drive on the scooters. So let's go. Another day driving in paradise. Hey, look, a Circle K. I got those in California. We're on the way to the beach. Another chaotic, hectic traffic, driving in traffic. Every man for themselves over here. I'm gonna follow her because she's got the main GPS. I also got the GPS on my watch and it's talking to me in my glasses, so it's telling me where to go, just in case. So it's actually looking pretty sunny over here. So we just pulled up to Suluban beach. We're gonna walk down all these stairs to get to the beach, which is over there. Everything in Bali you have to pay for. So basically, parking, everywhere you have to pay for parking. It's like they basically nickel and dime you. It's really, really cheap. Like it was like probably like 25 cents to park, but they nickel and dime every little single thing. And almost everything is like a tourist trap. Like the Bali swings, there's a bunch of them, the rice fields, like everything. They charge you for basically everything. It's really cheap, and obviously they don't have a lot of money, but just let you know if you ever come here. So here is Suluban Beach, blue water. So we're gonna go over here. Just look up. This is a really cool beach. If you can find it and get to it, it's really cool. found this cool spot. So you walk in a cave, huh? Yeah. So you walk in this cave right here. Let me show you the way in. Let me show you the way in. This is even a cool view. And then let's go through here slowly. It's pretty dope. Let's go through here. What's this? More cave. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. This is real cool. Oh, nice. More of a beach. Nice big beach. Oh, my microphone is dead, but we just got to Melasti Beach. It's like a huge beach temple. Let's cross. Let's cross. It's like a huge beach temple thing. It's pretty cool. And there's a beach over there. Down by the pool for a certain amount of hours, and the food is included unless you go over. So we chose the lounge thing. So yeah, basically you pay to sit in a certain spot. You want to sit by the pool, a lounge area, or the bar. You pay a certain amount of money, and that goes towards the food. But it's a really nice place. It's like a high upscale place. Usually the food's like really cheap here, but this is a little more expensive, but it's still really cheap. So there's the pool down there. There's people lounging right there. We chose the little lounge area. There's also a pool over there where you can pay for. But yeah, food's pretty cheap. And after this, I'm gonna go swimming. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I just came down to the pool area. I jumped in real quick. Oh, it's so nice. What I got was, I don't even know what it's called. Iso or something. So guys, we're leaving Melasti Beach. I don't know how to say it. We're leaving. Food was good. The pool was really good. Didn't really swim in the beach, but it looks good. The water's blue. Just gotta drive home in that traffic now on the scooter. I'm not sure if we're going to the mall first. We'll figure that out on the way. I know she has to get a charger for her phone because it hasn't been charging, but probably like an hour and a half because of traffic. It's not gonna be fun. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Looks like you.
Who's over here?
Oh yeah. Geez, we're like stuck. What's up, guys? Just got back to the hotel. Now, after a long drive, I'm gonna jump in the pool. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. A very eventful day. Suluban Beach. Man, Melasti, I forget the name. Starts with an M. Go back in the vlog and tell me what, I don't know. Go back in the vlog and Melasti Beach or Montesi or whatever the hell it was called. Pretty good food. Crazy drive home. Now it's the end of the day. Really don't know what we're gonna get into tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna go hike or go to the rice fields. We'll see. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. And make sure you come back for tomorrow's vlog. We have 3 more days in Bali. And then we're going to the secret location. The surprise location. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Life of Mikey. Peace.